Welcome to the best picks. The best Kindle battery replacement is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for your e-reader's longevity. If your Kindle's battery life has dwindled, this video is your guide to breathing new life into your device. We'll explore the factors to consider, the steps involved, and whether a DIY approach is right for you, so you can enjoy countless hours of reading. Number 5. Fire Tablet Fast Charger with Micro USB Cable. This fast charger is designed to quickly power up your Fire tablet. It provides a rapid charge, so you can get back to using your device without long waits. It works with a variety of Fire tablets, including the latest HD models and kids editions. It is also compatible with e-readers and Fire TV stick. The charger features a 2.1 amp output, ensuring a fast and efficient charging experience. This allows the device to charge quickly and safely. The charger's compact design makes it ideal for travel, home, or office use. It's easy to carry around, ensuring you always have a charging solution. Built with fireproof materials and an intelligent circuit design, this charger protects against short circuits, overheating, and overcharging. It keeps your device safe while charging. The package includes a USB wall charger and a 6.6 feet USB-C and micro USB 2-in-1 cable. This provides everything you need to charge your device. What we like? This charger offers fast and safe charging with its 2.1A output, ensuring your devices power up quickly. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel or everyday use. And with the included dual cable, it's compatible with a wide range of devices. If you are always on the go and need a reliable charger for multiple devices, you should consider this. What people say. It charges my device quickly and efficiently, so I don't have to wait forever to get back to using it. The build quality feels sturdy and durable, and I love that it's UL listed, providing extra safety and peace of mind. It charges up my Kindle faster than others, and now I'm using it as a dedicated charger just for my tablet. Number 4. Charger with cables for Kindle Fire and Samsung. This charger is designed to work with a wide range of devices. It comes with both Type-C and micro USB cables, ensuring compatibility with your Fire tablets, e-readers, and even Samsung phones. This makes it a versatile charging solution. We understand that devices have different charging ports. That's why this charger includes 2 cables. This design ensures that you can charge your device right away, without any compatibility issues. This charger supports all Fire tablet and e-readers, Fire Max 11 tablet, Fire HD 6, 7, 8, 10 tablet, Fire HD 7, 8, 10 Plus tablet, Fire HD 7, 8, 10 Plus Kids Edition, Fire HD 7, 8, 10 Kids Pro, HD HDX 7 foot, 8.9, Paperwhite All version, Voyage, Oasis, Kindle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and Samsung phone, tablet. It's a one-stop solution for all your charging needs. The charger comes with a 5-foot charging cord. It's long enough to provide flexibility. The color is black, which is a classic and versatile choice. This charger is UL listed, CFCC RoHS certified. It has multiple protection features, including overheat, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuit protection. You can rest assured that it's safe for your devices. It has 6 protection functions and strong anti-interference ability. The charger provides stable current conduction and data transmission. This ensures a safe and reliable charging experience for your devices. What we like? This charger comes with both Type-C and micro USB cables, ensuring compatibility with various Kindle and Samsung devices. It's also UL listed and features multiple safety protections. If you have multiple devices with different charging ports, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The charger came with a block and 2 cords. Charged my tablet in no time. Good purchase. Well made. Item is well made and was packaged expertly. I am using to charge my Fire tablet. Works as described. USB cable with adapter fits perfectly with my Amazon HD Fire tablet. Number 3. DEEGO 15-foot micro USB cable. This cable works with a wide range of devices. It's compatible with most PS4 controllers, Android phones, and many other gadgets with a micro USB port. You can use it with your Samsung, Nexus, HTC, and more. Need more reach? This 15-foot cable gives you extra length for charging and syncing. It's perfect for use at home, in the office, or while traveling. It's a great replacement for your original cable. Get faster charging with this cable, up to 2.4A. It also syncs data at speeds up to 480 megabits per second. You can charge and transfer data at the same time, and it's quicker than many standard cables. This cable is built to last, with a 10,000 plus band lifespan. The stainless steel head ensures a secure connection. The PVC jacket adds durability and flexibility, so it won't easily tangle. You'll receive one 15-foot micro USB to USB-A 2.0 cable. It's ideal for hard-to-reach USB ports and wall chargers. Perfect for use near your bed, sofa, desk, or in your car. What we like? This cable provides an extra-long 15-foot reach, offering convenience for charging in various locations. It supports fast charging and data sync, and is built with durability in mind. If you like to use your device while charging from a distance, this cable is the perfect choice. What people say. Purchased this cable in 2018. And years later and still will charge fast. The durability and quality of this cable is made very good. The fit of the connections work great and this cable is well worth the money. It works good, very durable. If a dog runs head first into it, it'll rip whatever you had in your hands and still be okay. I needed a long flexible type A to a micro USB cable. It does the job on data transfer and providing power to my project. Number 2. SMAVCO 7 Tools Repair Kit. This kit includes 7 essential tools for repairing various devices. It's designed for opening and disassembling electronics safely and efficiently. With these tools, you can handle repairs with ease. This kit is perfect for repairing iPhones, iPads, and other devices. It's also suitable for GPS devices, Kindles, Nooks, iPods, and even watches. It provides everything needed for battery replacement and screen repairs. The kit features T8, T6, T5, T-, T+, plastic and pentalobe tools. Each tool is crafted for specific tasks, ensuring you have the right instrument for the job. They are durable and easy to use. These tools are specifically designed for opening devices without causing damage. They help you safely separate components and access internal parts. It makes the repair process much smoother. With this kit, you can perform repairs like a professional. It's a must-have for anyone who enjoys fixing their own electronics. Get yours today and start repairing. What we like? This tool kit includes 7 essential tools for repairing various devices, including Kindles and iPhones. It simplifies the process of opening and repairing your devices. If you are looking to do the battery replacement by yourself, you should consider this. What people say. Changed the battery in my Kindle Fire. Even though one of the plastic tools broke while opening the Kindle, I was able to use it to finish the job. These were worth the buy. I needed the gadget to open the back of my 4th generation Kindle, because the battery no longer kept a charge. It helped me open the back, so I could put in a new battery, and I happily have my Kindle working like new. What I expected, easy to use and appropriate heads for a variety of small screws in electronics, such as computers and cell phones. Number 1. DRECHAS replacement battery for K3S11 GTSF. Are you constantly running out of power? This new upgraded battery offers a 1,750 mAh capacity, providing better endurance and a longer life compared to the original. You will no longer have to worry about the device dying quickly. Don't worry about complicated installations. The DRECHAS replacement battery comes with repair tools. We recommend watching a battery replacement video on YouTube for easy installation. This battery is compatible with multiple models, including 170103200, 170103201, S11 GTSF01A, D00901, and GPS 103463920100. Please make sure your device model matches before purchasing. The DRECHAS replacement battery is made with high-quality, A-grade batteries. It has a built-in smart chip for overcharge, over-discharge, and overheating protection. It is also short-circuit protected, ensuring safe and efficient use. DRECHAS batteries are tested under strict quality control standards and certified by CE, FCC, UL, PSE, and ROHS. This ensures the product's safety and reliability. If you have any issues with the product, please contact us. We are committed to providing excellent customer service and will do our best to assist you. What we like. This replacement battery offers a high capacity for extended use. It comes with repair tools and is easy to install. It also has multiple protections for safety. If you want to extend the life of your Kindle with a reliable battery, this is the one for you. What people say. I installed it easily and immediately charged it up before powering on. It powered itself on at first, but I turned it back off. I have so far had no problem, and it appears that the battery lasts like the original one from Amazon. Hardest part of the replacement was getting the back off, but with a little time I got it loose and we're all set. Been using it for a few months and I've got no complaints. Fit perfectly and took a charge with no problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.